What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, family. Welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. Welcome guys. If you are new to this channel, like, comment and subscribe to my channel before we get any further into this video. Okay, my name is Lacassie and welcome family. Have you ever wondered what a girl puts inside of her bag? So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what's in my bag. Sometimes we're curious about what other people are carrying in the bag, because it be cute. It be like, oh, why do you have that in your bag? Like, why sis? Anyways, not my business, but I just want to show you guys what's in my little mini bag, what can fit in this mini bag. We all know there's like a wave of minis in the streets, so I got me a couple minis and I like a mini bag. They're so cute, they're so practical, they're so quick, they're so great for going out with your friends, out to the club, anywhere, you know. So guys, what's in my bag? We're gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna open and show you guys what I've been carrying. So first things first, I'm gonna pull out is, of course, the queen, my phone. This is just a love story. I can't go anywhere without you. She can't go anywhere without me. That's a lie. I think she doesn't care. But yeah, so my phone, my full phone fits inside. This is the iPhone 11 Pro. It's not the Pro Max, because I know the Pro Max is bigger. So if you have a Pro Max, I don't know, I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit, but this is not the Pro Max. This is just iPhone 11 Pro.
I couldn't quite hear you. Could you please repeat what you said?
Siri, it's not about you right now. Like, get over yourself.
I'm not sure I understand.
Sorry. So next thing, I carry a hand cream all the time, because see, there's nothing in there, but I still have to show you guys because I love this hand cream. It was so good. It makes your hands like automatically soft and great, and my hands be dry, like, because I wash it all the time from work, and you know, we need a hand cream. In there we also have, of course, in this pandemic moments, I have my hand sanitizer in a spray bottle and in a lemon flavor. Well, vanilla cinnamon. It's actually not lemon. I thought it was lemon because it's yellow, but it's vanilla cinnamon scented. Smells good. You spray on your hands so you stay safe from the germs. What else did we fit in here? A little perfume from Zara. This is like a mini one. I think it's great to carry a little small perfume in your bag, just in case. You never know. Then I have random stuff next. I don't know, but this thing here. It's a sample from Sephora. It's an eyebrow sample. So small. I think if there's anything, I would like to kind of fix up my eyebrows, you know. I don't want it to go all crazy, because my eyebrows are like the center of my makeup, and I care more about having nice eyebrows than the rest. I can just have eyebrows done and not care about anything else. Like eyebrows and lip gloss, talk us. Then of course I have a bunch of lip glosses. I'm a lip gloss fiend, a lip gloss girl. Look at my lip gloss. It's cool. My lip gloss be popping. They're standing on my locker and all the boys keep. It's high school. I remember all my girls from high school, we had a lip gloss obsession. Shout out to all my girls from high school, like especially Shay. Me and Shay, we're just lip gloss girls. Like, she knows, she remembers these times. But yeah, so lip gloss has not left my life. It's still overtaking my life because I have way too many lip gloss and I don't think I have enough. I keep buying. So I have this lip care in flavor aloe. I have a bunch of Fenty's. I love Fenty Beauty and I always carry a Fenty lip gloss inside of my purse. So this is like it's supposed to be clear, but of course it's now like so many colors because I just put it on my lips. I try to keep it clear, but it didn't really work out. Then I have the cream. This is like the new one that she just dropped. It's like creamy lip gloss, you know. And I think that's all the lip gloss that I have. Oh, I have the small mini ones. This cute little set I got, different colors for Christmas. And yeah, of course, I love it. It's Fenty. And also in there, I'm carrying a little mascara. Like I said, I like to do eyebrows, but the other thing that I fix up, like if I'm going out, in my purse I would carry mascara cover up to touch up throughout the night. I would like to like touch up, cover up. Sometimes I don't even carry cover up. I just carry the brush of a cover up that I've been using all day. It still has cover up on it and it can go a long day. And it also doesn't make you cakey. So sometimes I carry the brush and I just like go in the washroom like, oh, I want to pee. Do you have a washroom? I don't really want to pee. But then I go there, I use my brush, and if ever anything I will touch up, it's probably going to be a couple coats of mascara. And yeah, what else? Can you tell we're living in the middle of a pandemic? Can you tell what's taking over our life? Sanitizer, more hand sanitizer. But this one is really not open. Every time I bring it out, I plan on using it, but I never use it. It's so cute. I leave it in, I always take it with me just in case, but I never really use it because I use other ones. I have my keys in here. Look at the cute little thing. That's the good vibes, because we all good over here. It's good vibes over here, baby. Last but not least, I have my AirPods in here. I love them. I lost one of my AirPods before in Montreal. Tragic. And I have both of them back, and I'm really trying to be super careful not to lose them again. So pray for me. So that's all. That's all, guys. That is in my little mini tiny Percy purse, and I can put them all back, and there you have it. That's all, guys. That is all that's in my bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Love you guys, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of video do you want to see from me, and I will do that for you guys. Keep yourself updated by turning your notification on, so every time I drop something new, you know, and you're the first and you know what's going on. Stay tuned and subscribe and turn your notification on so you don't miss any of that. Thank you. Honor, I have to go. I'm busy. Money is calling.